This keeps your jaw from hanging, which eventually leads to a double chin. You know, all those nights where your mouth is wide open, kind of like this? If you sleep like that over and over and over again, you're gonna have a droopy face. Trust me, you start to notice it in your 20s. Since I spent so many years mouth breathing, I'm starting to notice it myself. Now, a lot of you have been saying, oh, what's the point of the hole? It's so you don't have to worry about suffocating in the middle of the night, but it also keeps your jaw in place so you don't have to worry about your facial structure getting messed up. Prevents snoring too. Hurry up and get a pack, they're at the link below.